Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a ridiculously simple but totally game-changing shift for your local business. We're looking at the exact steps for adding an online booking link to your Google business profile and how this one little feature can absolutely revolutionize your day-to-day operations. Seriously, it takes your profile from a static, kind of boring directory listing and turns it into a dynamic 24/7 booking engine. If you've ever had that sinking feeling that you're losing out on clients just because you can't be chained to your desk all day and night, well, this explainer is exactly what you need. Let's get right into it.
First up, Section 1, the cost of friction.
Let's kick things off with a pretty painful reality for service businesses. Just picture this, right? A potential customer has a problem, they're doing a Google search late at night, and boom, they find you. It's midnight, they are totally ready to book your service right then and there. But your office is closed. So what happens? Well, if they can't lock it in immediately while their intent is sky high, they are absolutely not going to sit around waiting until 9 a.m. the next morning to call you. Nope. There's a huge chance they'll just hit that back button and go straight to a competitor who makes life easier for them.
It's honestly a chain reaction of lost customers. Think about it. Step 1, the customer has to actively hunt down your phone number. Step 2, they have to actually remember to call you, but only during your strict office hours. Step 3, they're stuck waiting on hold, listening to terrible elevator music, just hoping someone answers. And step 4, yeah, they just give up. You're basically asking your customer to do all the heavy lifting. In today's digital world, relying purely on phone calls during an 8-hour window is pretty much a guaranteed way to kill your conversions.
It all boils down to this one core philosophy. Every extra step between a customer and your business reduces the chance of conversion. Every single hurdle, every little delay, or even the smallest inconvenience you put in front of a buyer, that is directly costing you revenue. It really is that simple. Getting an online booking system in place completely wipes out those barriers, letting people schedule with you anytime, day or night.
Moving on to Section 2, choosing your booking path.
The great news is that Google Business Profiles natively support online booking to solve this exact headache. And you generally have two distinct setup paths here, depending on your current tech stack. Option 1 is to just use your own website. If you've already got a site with a booking or contact page, you just use that specific URL. Someone clicks book on your Google profile, they go straight to your site. Super easy, and it gives you total end-to-end control over the whole customer experience. But hey, what if you don't have a website? No problem at all. That's option 2, using a third-party booking platform. This is the perfect no-code solution where you can spin up a highly professional booking page in literally minutes, even if you have zero technical skills.
And I gotta say, these third-party platforms are incredibly powerful. Once you sign up, they handle all the heavy lifting for you. You can set your exact working days, specify your appointment times, nail down meeting durations, and even create little buffer periods so you're not frantically rushing from one client to the next. Plus, they automatically collect the customer details you need and fire off those automatic confirmation emails. Once you've got it all dialed in, you literally just copy the link they give you, paste it right into your Google Business profile, and boom, you have an automated assistant working for you around the clock.
All right, Section 3, setting up for success. So just having the link isn't quite enough. To really optimize the system, you have to give your customers clear, tailored choices that make the booking experience feel totally effortless and premium. Take a consultant versus a salon, for example. A consultant shouldn't just slap a generic book a meeting button up there. They might offer a free 15-minute discovery call, a paid 1-hour consultation, and a deep dive business strategy session. Meanwhile, a salon is going to separate their offerings into haircuts, hair coloring, and maybe a full facial and bridal package. Not every customer needs the exact same thing. By clearly categorizing what you do, you make the booking process significantly faster and way more convenient. The user knows exactly what they are getting. But quick timeout for a major warning here. A booking system is only useful if it's actually accurate. You have got to be religious about updating your calendar. Specifically, you need to keep a close eye on 4 key metrics: your working hours, any upcoming holidays, your staff availability, and the duration of your appointments. If a team member calls in sick or you decide to close up early for a holiday, your system needs to reflect that instantly. And why is that absolutely crucial? Because nothing, and I mean nothing, damages customer trust faster than accepting an appointment you can't actually honor. Imagine a customer uses your shiny new 24/7 booking engine for a 10 a.m. Tuesday haircut. They show up only to find the doors locked because you forgot to block off a holiday on your calendar. Yikes. You haven't just lost that sale, you have permanently broken that consumer's trust, and they are highly likely to leave a very public, very negative review. Accuracy is completely non-negotiable.
Which brings us to our final section, the 24/7 business benefits.
When you put all of this into practice, your business basically works around the clock, capturing those high-intent customers while you're literally fast asleep. And because people are self-serving, it drastically cuts down on the number of phone calls interrupting your day, which saves you a massive amount of administrative time. It minimizes scheduling errors too. No more scribbling down the wrong time on a random sticky note. Ultimately, the whole shebang creates a way smoother customer experience. And when you make things that easy for people outside of normal working hours, it translates directly into our absolute favorite benefit, significantly higher conversion rates. So I want to leave you with this provocative question to think about. Is your Google profile just a static billboard, or is it an active conversion engine? Remember, your profile shouldn't just sit there to help customers discover that you exist. It should empower them to take action immediately. Adding a booking link shortens that customer journey, and shorter journeys result in immediate action. Take a few minutes today, get this set up, and just watch how it transforms your business. And definitely stick around because in our next explainer, we're diving into even more features that'll help you generate an absolute flood of local leads. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.